Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now here we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see, almost at the very bottom of this list, and basically all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got this info, so we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on advanced, and as you can see, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show background A and Rs, we can enable strict mode. We can also, for example, change the transition animation scale. Here we've got some input options. Here we've got settings connected to Bluetooth, to the networking overall, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of settings. So basically, all you have to do in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher here. So if you've got the options without the switcher, so like here in the window animation scale or transition animation scale, whatever, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, and nothing easier, just find this switcher on this, I would say, like greenish background, and tap on it to turn them off. As you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.